Go.
Hi parents and happy solar eclipse 2024. I can't see a thing right now, which is a good thing. These will protect your child's eyes when we go outside this afternoon. I am making this video a little bit early before we head out to see the solar eclipse, and we hope that it's a good one. We hope the clouds don't get in the way, but be sure to check out our social media. We're going to have a lot of pictures on there from our time inside and what we're doing to prepare for the eclipse, and also our time outside. So it's really an exciting time here today. So we still have a lot of things going on as at center school, as is the case. I want to remind you of a few things. Academic wise, tonight report cards do get released in the Blackbaud system. If you have any issues accessing them or any problems whatsoever, please reach out to Judy at the front desk and she will do her best to help you with that. Conferences are also happening this week, so your child's teacher or teachers should have already reached out to you to schedule time. If you have not done so, please ensure that you do, because they're a very important part of your child's education. In terms of events, we have a great evening event as part of our Center for Learning. It is on Monday, April 15th. That is with Dion Butler, the former Detroit Lions tight end who came and talked with the students back in November, and Dr. Tracy Johnson Rockmore, excuse me. She is coming in also to talk about her life with dyslexia. So both Dion and Tracy are going to be talking together and providing a pretty profound conversation, we'll say, about their life with dyslexia and how they became so successful. As I said, Dion played for the NFL and Tracy is the author of 2 books. So that just goes to show that with the right education, great things can happen. The other thing is pancake breakfast. On Saturday, April 20th, we have a pancake breakfast. We do host this in conjunction with the Rotary Club of Jenkintown. It is come one, come all. You can buy tickets at the door or you can buy tickets here at school, so they will be available if you happen to come in for conference. It's $15 for adults and it's all you can eat. There's pancakes, there's sausage, there's all sorts of good carbohydrate, heavy, and sugar laden goods. So you'll have a good time. But we have several hundred people who usually attend, and they come throughout the day. So they're rotating throughout. So come on, it's a great family and community event. So I hope to see you there. And then I think we have one more thing happening. What is that one thing, Heidi?
Yard sale.
Oh, that's right, the yard sale. I forgot about that. We have a yard sale, community yard sale. We're hosting that again in conjunction with Representative Nancy Gunst. That will be on May the 4th, be with you. If you would like to reserve a table and sell your goods, you keep all of the profit. Center School is not making any profit off of this. This is just a community building event. So please reach out to Heidi and she will certainly get you all of that information. I think that is everything for the week. Again, we're really excited about the solar eclipse. And actually, I want to do a little shout out to Asa, because I know he is in New York in the path of totality. So Asa, I can't wait to hear all about it. Let me know how it pans out for you all. So everybody have a good evening and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.